What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a Starbucks plastic cup organizer for your pencils and stuff like that. The supplies you'll need are a plastic Starbucks cup. As you can see, I rinsed it out really well with hot water. But any size will work. It could be large, medium, it could be small too. Some colorful Sharpies to draw on. A hot glue gun. And some stickers. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is place stickers on the Starbucks cup any way you like. Make it look more colorful. Just like that. You can place on as many stickers as you like. With a hot glue gun that's heated up, you can draw on anything you like. It could be hearts or stars or whatever you like. As you can see, I put on #cute with some letter stickers. You can glue on as many as you like. Once the glue has dried, you can color them on. If you're using a hot glue gun, please be very careful and have an adult to help you with that, because you could really burn yourself with it. Just like that. Again, be very careful with a hot glue gun because you could really burn yourself. Once the hot glue has dried, take some colorful markers or Sharpies and color on the hearts with any color you like, just like you would do in coloring books. I used to color on a coloring book when I was younger. Coloring is my favorite part of art. Ooh, that rhymes. Just like that. Okay, here is the final product. As you can see, I wrote #pretty and #sweet. You don't have to write words on the Starbucks cup if you don't want to, but this is optional. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope everyone has a good day.